Alright, this is going to be another unboxing of a new Zippo. I did this wood carving a few months ago. It's the Death Ace, and that's one of my favorite wood carvings. And here's the new Zippo. It looks like it's made in USA, genuine American, and it is it's the Ace of Spades with the skull in the middle. It's similar to the one I did, but a little bit different. Brand new, I just got it. Let's see if we can get some more light on this thing. It's got a pretty nice pattern, checkerboard pattern, lasered into the front. So yeah, that's my a new addition to my collection. It's the Ace of Spades. Knuckle bump.